Jagan Kumar, good morning, AVM this end. Am I audible?
Hello.
Am I
Are you
audible?
audible, sir?
Good morning. Yeah,
Yeah, good morning, sir.
great. Welcome. Jagan Kumar from Chennai, Rombal has just completed our video course on the latest versions of APQP, PPAP, and control plan. Jagan,
Yes,
excellent.
sir.
How do you
Thank you,
find
sir.
the This is the first course you are taking from us, right?
Yes, sir. It is the first course I taken from us. Uh, I feel it's better and fantastic, sir.
Okay, little
I
louder.
I taken the recorded video course, sir. But
Excellent.
I
Excellent.
didn't know this would be the very interactive on initially. But
Okay,
I feel this is very goes interactive and goes on fantastic, sir.
excellent.
And
So,
initially I take with basic knowledge only.
yeah, the learning was useful.
Learning was peaceful and I get more clarity on that.
Excellent. Okay, very good. Ah, Mr. Jagan, you raised certain questions. Let us help so many learners
Yes, sir.
by getting some insights. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you asked about the multiple part numbers. Screen is
Yes, sir.
visible now?
Oh, yeah, visible, sir.
Good. Where you'll be documenting the part numbers, part name? Here now.
Part number, yes, sir, third, column 3.
Okay.
Column 3, and
Correct. Correct. So multiple part numbers in a single control plan. Correct me?
yes, sir.
Jagan, your point is right. Then it becomes more of a family control plan.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is very much allowed. The simple answer is very much allowed. It may save your time also. Okay.
Okay.
So all the multiple part numbers, part names can be a separate attached document. That is the answer we want to give to all the learners.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That
Okay, sir.
you may give here.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, yes, sir.
Good.
So if,
Yeah.
if we change in the revision means, that means we added any okay, or error proof in any specific process means, where we want to add that revision, sir. In same family part number revision, sir, or
Kindly understand, when you talk a family control plan, the contents inside should be by and large same.
okay.
Not called that as a family control plan. Family FME concept that way.
Mm, okay, sir.
Clear?
Okay, clear, sir.
The contents inside should be more or less 90-95% the same.
Same. Okay.
Excepting some special categories, symbols may be different.
Mm,
Okay. Some of
okay,
the
sir.
machine device tools rarely may be different. So
Mm,
difference may be only here. Then you can club everything and then call as one document, a separate document. Linkage here. 3 and 4 should have the linkage.
okay, sir.
Good. Let's move on to the next question.
Okay.
Jagan, you asked about the reaction plan.
Okay.
What's your question?
If reaction plan, the action will be the reward for that process.
Correct.
If there is any problem in that part, who is responsible for that reward process? Sir? That's
Correct.
my.
Reaction plan column is now divided into two subcolumns, action and owner responsible. We understand your question is on the owner responsible, correct? Ne?
Yes, sir.
Owner responsible should be the persons closest to the process. Invariably, the operators,
Mm,
technicians.
mm,
Okay.
okay.
They must be as per the new version of control plan. Control plan, first version 2024. They should be called, the individual should be identified with the title or role.
Okay.
Okay. They are responsible for the reaction. Owner responsible or the persons who are closest to the process.
One more doubt on that, sir.
Yeah.
That owner responsible person will be skilled on that process, right, sir? The schematic will be on. Okay.
Very much, very much.
Okay.
Very much. Good. Let us move on to the third one. Regarding the frequency here, generally, let us time being forget about proto control plan. Okay. Let us talk only about proto control plans are part of APQP phase 2. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Then comes Jagan, pre-launch control plan. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It's in phase 3.
Now the new introduction is
Safe launch.
perfectly all right. Safe launch control. Both are part of APQP phase 3. Then comes the production control plan.
Okay. PCB.
Any idea in which phase production control plan will be used?
Phase 4, sir.
Excellent, excellent.
PPAP.
APQP phase 4. Okay. Production control plans are used for PPAP, correct?
Yes, sir.
Probably you may use safe launch control plan also for PPAP if the customer warrants so.
Yeah, if customer requires a safe launch.
Yes, exactly. It is perfectly a customer driven. Okay. So here the frequency of sampling will be 100% most of the cases. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
100%. Okay. Slowly you may reduce it to the level of 1/2. That means had I produced 2 numbers, I'll be checking 1 number.
50%.
50%. Then you may slightly reduce it to 1/3. Okay. Say 33%. 1/4 to 1/5 kind of thing. The general norm is to reach 1/10. That means not more than 10%. Not more than 10%. This will happen over a period of time, Jagan. Okay. This will generally or likely to happen only after phase 5. After phase 5. Clear now?
Clear, sir.
Jagan, you may take the similar products running. Have the reference of the sample sizes which are used on the similar products which are running now. So they can be taken as one target. Otherwise, you may consider 1/2, then 1/3, 1/4, 1/5, slowly reach to the level of 1/10.
Slowly we want to reduce that frequency.
You should reduce because instructional testing is money ultimately.
Okay.
Here, Jagan, another important parameter to consider is your PP and PPK levels.
Okay, sir.
There are some standards, referred by some of the customers. We follow them, but generally it's not 100%. Have the reference of the similar product, running product. Okay. And consider the PP, PPK levels.
Okay.
You get a fair idea now?
Fair idea. I get.
Then, last one. How frequently the control plans to be reviewed? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Even when no product or process characteristics are changed. Brilliant
sir.
question you raised. Brilliant question. I appreciate. Okay. So
Okay.
every PPAP changes. Every PPAP
PPAP changes.
changes. You must
Yes, we,
revisit your control plans. Clear?
clear, sir.
Revisit. I'm not changing. Revise. Revisit. Okay. That
Use.
is what?
Okay.
Review. If it is so needed, revise.
That's my question. Okay, sir.
Okay. This is first
Okay.
input I am giving you. Okay. Every PPAP
Okay.
change. Obviously, one of the PPAP element is control plot documents. Okay.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, clear, sir.
One. Whenever a problem is sorted out,
Mm,
Example, the company is following global 8D process.
Okay.
Then obviously it will take the route of PPAP. Then you are supposed to revisit your control plans.
Sir.
In the name of standardization. I am just documenting that name also. The name of
Standardization.
standardization. Clear?
Clear.
Otherwise,
Okay.
once in a year, I don't believe, honestly. I don't believe.
Okay.
Okay.
If
I
any
don't,
changes in PPAP means we want to revise that. That means we
obviously,
visit that.
two
Okay.
opportunities. Every PPAP changes, and whenever a problem is sorted, maybe through
Okay.
approach or some other approach, 12-step approach, so on so on.
Okay. Okay. Otherwise, we don't need to
There is no meaning.
revisit or.
I don't find any need. Okay.
Okay.
You may ask me,
Okay.
sir, whenever there is a design change,
Okay.
obviously design change means you will take the PPAP route. No?
Yeah, so product characteristics will be changed. Okay.
Our suggestion is
Hmm.
always arrive at a checklist on how to review your control plans. There should be a checklist.
Okay.
Something like an audit checklist. Self-audit.
Okay.
It is a self-audit, right?
Okay.
Then that is a meaning you are going to bring some changes. You may likely to bring some changes in your control plans also.
Okay.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Any other doubts?
No, sir. This measures, that's
Good.
sir.
Good. You are a very serious learner. Okay. I'm very glad that you are completing your course on time. You are given 1 month, but less than 1 month itself, with all difficulties, you are able to manage. That's great, Jagan.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Already I taken some classes from somewhere, sir.
Yeah.
I didn't get that means any clarity about that. You already told, no, this is your private class and right class.
Excellent.
In your learning, I will get very interactive and very supportive also.
Excellent. That is the reason we are getting a very good feedback, even in the video learnings also. Okay. Credit largely goes to the participants also who participated in that recorded video program. Okay.
Yes, yes. They will clear every doubt, whichever doubt we have, they will clear in recorded itself.
Yeah.
That's why we didn't get that major doubts on recorded also.
Yeah. The list includes your Robbal person also who recommended you for the program. Who is the person?
Gobi sir will be
Excellent.
Gobi sir will be recommended your course.
Yeah. He only recommended you for this course, I know. Okay. My best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Bye.